Have you ever noticed how the moment you stop caring, everything shifts? At first, she acts like she doesn't notice. She carries on as if nothing has changed. But deep down, something is happening, something she can't ignore. Suddenly, she starts questioning everything. Why isn't he chasing me? Did I misjudge him? Is he really done with me? This silent shift in dynamics is more powerful than any words you could ever say. In this video, I'll break down exactly what happens in her mind when she realizes you've lost interest, why it drives her crazy, and how this simple act of detachment puts you in control. Stick around until the end, because once you understand this, you'll never second-guess yourself again. Number 1. The power of detachment. Most men believe that winning a woman over requires chasing, convincing, or proving their worth. But the truth is, nothing unsettles a woman more than a man who can walk away without fear. Detachment is more than just stepping back physically. It's about mentally and emotionally reclaiming your power. It's about sending a silent message. I don't need to convince you of my worth. You either see it or you don't. Women are highly attuned to energy. The moment you detach, she feels it. She may not react immediately. She might even act indifferent. But deep inside, a shift is happening. A confident man's detachment triggers a psychological response, a sudden void where validation once existed. She was used to your attention, your presence, and the reassurance that she had you. Now, there's nothing but uncertainty. And uncertainty is what makes people reevaluate what they truly value. A woman will always feel stronger attraction toward a man who is willing to walk away, not because he's playing games, but because he values himself too much to beg for love. Number 2. Her initial reaction, indifference or relief. Here's where most men get it wrong. When they first detach, nothing dramatic happens. She might seem happy, even relieved. She'll tell herself, "Good, I needed space," or "I knew he'd stop trying eventually." And this is where many men panic. They see her acting unbothered and think, "She's moving on. I need to reach out before I lose her forever." So, they break no contact. They send a text. They engage with her social media, hoping for a reaction, or worse, they start chasing again. And in doing so, they confirm exactly what she suspected, that their detachment was never real. A high-value man doesn't fall into this trap. He lets her sit with the silence. He doesn't chase. He doesn't explain himself. He doesn't make a move. And that's when things start to shift in her mind. At first, she's relieved. But as the days go by, something unexpected happens. She starts waiting for your name to pop up. She wonders why you haven't reacted to her posts. She starts checking if you're still watching her stories. But nothing. And that's when the uncertainty creeps in. Number 3. The fear of losing your attention. At first, she thought you were just giving her space. Now she realizes something deeper. You're not waiting around. You're actually moving on. Most women expect men to linger, to keep trying, to always be available. But when she realizes that's no longer the case, something shifts in her brain. Suddenly she's replaying old memories. She's overanalyzing past conversations. She wonders if she made a mistake. And that uncertainty, that's what messes with her emotions the most. She may not reach out yet, but she's thinking about you more than you realize. She's scrolling through old messages. She's remembering the attention and validation she once got from you, and now it's gone. Number 4. The emotional roller coaster begins. At this stage, she experiences a wave of emotions. First, she's annoyed. Why hasn't he texted me yet? He's probably doing this on purpose. Then curiosity kicks in. What is he doing? Did he find someone else? Is he really over me? Then comes insecurity. Was I not that important to him? Did he ever even care? This is when the shift happens. People don't realize what they had until it's no longer available. When a woman feels your absence deeply, she begins to see your value clearly. Number 5, the moment she breaks. Every woman has a breaking point. Some last weeks, others last months. But eventually, she'll feel compelled to act. She might send a casual, "Hey, how have you been?" text. She might like an old picture of yours. She might even message your friends to check on you. But here's the truth. If she truly values you, she will make a real effort to reconnect. If she's just testing you, she'll give half-hearted attempts to see if she still holds power over you. Most men fail here. They get too excited and respond immediately, undoing all their progress in a single message. A high-value man doesn't take the bait so easily. He lets her sit in her emotions. He doesn't rush to fix things. He doesn't let her back into his life without effort. And when she sees that, she realizes something powerful. He was never just an option. He was the prize all along. Number 6, the jealousy factor. Now she starts assuming the worst. Maybe he's seeing someone else. Maybe he's talking to another girl. And this is where jealousy kicks in. She checks her phone more often, hoping for a notification. She scrolls through your social media, looking for hints. She asks mutual friends about you. Even if you aren't talking to someone else, her mind will convince her that you are. And nothing makes a woman desire a man more than the fear of losing him to someone else. Number 7, when she tries to reconnect. If she reaches out, it won't be a full confession at first. Instead, she'll test the waters with something casual, a random question, a comment, or a meaningless interaction. Most men jump in too fast. They respond eagerly, acting as if they've been waiting the whole time. But that kills the mystery. Instead, take your time. Don't respond immediately. Keep your replies short. Don't show too much interest too soon. If she truly wants to reconnect, she will put in the effort. If she's serious, she'll make it clear. Number 8, keeping your power. If she does make an effort to come back, you have 2 choices. 1, reply instantly, acting as if nothing happened. 2, hold your frame and make her work to rebuild what she damaged. The first option puts you in a weak position. It tells her she can always get you back whenever she wants. The second option, that's where you stand out. You show her that your detachment wasn't a trick. It was real. And if she wants you back, she has to earn that place again. A high-value man moves with calm confidence. And that confidence, that's what makes her want you even more. Now that you understand the power of detachment, use it wisely. The moment you stop caring is the moment she starts. If this video gave you valuable insights, make sure to like and subscribe to the Stoic Route for more. And if you're wondering what to do next, watch the video on your screen right now. It's exactly what you need to see next. Click on it, and I'll see you there.